What's it say?
I don't know.
It's a gross Stegosaurus. You put it in the bathtub with you when it gets bigger.
I want to do that tonight.
Okay.
Can I get in the bathtub tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy Easter, Jalen.
Jesus.
Jesus and me love you. The Easter Bunny.
Cool. What else?
What is this? It has candy in it.
Cool. It's a baseball.
Look, can you open its hat?
Yeah, and after you look at all the rest of your stuff.
That's so cool. What kind is this?
I don't know.
Maybe that's Tyrannosaurus Rex.
No, I don't think that's a T-Rex. Look at that thing on his head.
I don't know because I don't know.
What else? Another lammy. Cool. Does he smell good? I smell something. I think he smells good. Oh, yes. He smells so good.
Now, my big lammy can be a mommy, and this one can be the baby.
Aww.
Lay down. Oh, it's a watering cup.
Now you can help Daddy water the plants.
And now I can go have fun at the beach.
Yeah. Very cool. What else? You got more stuff? No, that's Daddy's. Leave all that alone.
This is...
That's yours. And the froggy.
Oh.
Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. 4 bags of Cheez-Its.
Cool.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What else did you get up there? What are those 2 wooden things?
Mommy.
What?
I love you.
Me too.
A coloring thing.
Oh, it's a puzzle. You color your own puzzle. Who's on the puzzle?
Brontosaurus.
Yeah. You color the brontosaurus and then you make a puzzle?
Yeah.
Cool. What's the one last thing? Something to paint. Ooh. A bumblebee. Very cool.
Why does it not have its sting thing?
Because it's a nice bumblebee. It doesn't sting. What do you say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you.